Well, good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. weather briefing. We have very active conditions out there this morning weather-wise. We have some showers and thunderstorms just off the coast this morning, just outside the 10 nautical mile range. We just had a lightning strike about 10.5 miles from the island, so we are in a lightning advisory. We could have lightning within 10 nautical miles in the next 20 minutes as that thunderstorm continues to move along that 10 nautical mile range ring around the island. We'll be seeing some showers and thunderstorms continue to develop for this afternoon into the evening hours, with our best chance of showers and thunderstorms looking like occur during the early afternoon hours, and additional chance during the evening hours with a warm front and cold front moving through the region. Across region yesterday, we did see temperatures about seasonable for this time of year, maybe a tick or two below the seasonal averages, but here at Wallops we were 81 degrees. The warm spot was at Richmond at 89 degrees. Other locations in the upper 70s to lower 80s, with fairly pleasant conditions overall to end the weekend. Across region last night did see temperatures drop down into the 60s to lower 70s. Salisbury and Baltimore were the cool spots at 66 degrees. Here at Wallops we were at 71 degrees, and as I mentioned, other locations anywhere from the lower 70s to the upper 60s. Last 24 hours we have seen a little bit of precipitation across the north and western portions of the Mid-Atlantic region. Washington, D.C. was the winner at 0.29 of an inch. Here at Wallops we saw a trace just before 8 a.m. this morning, and as of 9 a.m. we are seeing variable conditions out there across the Mid-Atlantic region, anywhere from mostly cloudy skies in some locations and light rain in other locations, seeing light rain at Baltimore, Washington, Richmond, and here at Wallops. And as of 9 a.m. we saw 72 degrees here at Wallops. Our 12Z sounding from this morning, our freezing level was at 13,400 feet. Our winds were out of the southeast and fairly gusty this morning at the 1,000-foot level at 26 knots. Seeing our winds decrease just a bit, we move up in the mid-levels, becoming more westerly to west-southwesterly, and seeing our peak wind this morning out of the southwest at 48 knots at 25,000 feet. Surface analysis as of 12Z this morning, we do have an area of low pressure across the Tennessee Valley starting to move towards the Mid-Atlantic region. You can see all kinds of showers and thunderstorms just ahead of that area of low pressure associated with the warm front moving towards our region for later on this morning, the afternoon. These showers and thunderstorms are moving through our region for the late morning into the early afternoon hours, and that will provide us with our best chances of thunderstorms coming as that warm front moves through during the mid-afternoon hours. And we'll have additional chance with a cold front that's currently across the Tennessee Valley as well. It's going to move through our region during the evening hours, and that'll give us a chance of some showers and thunderstorms. We'll have a continuing chance of showers and thunderstorms during the overnight period with that front slowly moving through the area. So for our observation page this morning, we do have those showers and thunderstorms are just off the coast this morning. We have some pop-up showers and thunderstorms developing north of our region, also a few south of our region. It's going to be moving through our area the next hour or so. You can see here this large area of showers and thunderstorms currently across the western portions of the Mid-Atlantic region. Is going to be moving towards our region for, as I mentioned, the late morning and the afternoon hours, giving us those chances of showers and thunderstorms. Our winds are going to be becoming quite breezy this morning. You'll see those winds increase just slightly out of the south to southwest this afternoon, anywhere from about 10 to 15 knots, gusts possibly up to 25 knots during the afternoon hours. Currently we have more of a southeasterly component to our winds, but once that warm front does move through the area, our winds will become more southerly to southwesterly. Temperatures this morning are anywhere from about 74 to 75 degrees. According to where that rain has fallen, a little bit cooler with the rain-cooled air in some locations, but we'll see temperatures topping out today in the mid to upper 70s. Our prog charts the next couple days. Here's our Monday midday planner. See that warm front has moved through our region to the north. We have an area of low pressure across the western portions of the Mid-Atlantic region. It's going to be providing us with showers and thunderstorms across our region, and some of those storms could be quite strong with some gusty winds and heavy rain. Moving on to our Monday night, this cold front, as I mentioned before, is going to be slow to get through our region. That's going to allow for us to have continued chances of showers and thunderstorms during the overnight time period, and most likely those showers and thunderstorms will be around midnight, extending into the early overnight time period, probably till about 2 or 3 a.m., and then we'll see a continued lingering chance of showers and thunderstorms during the rest of the overnight time period. Looking to our Tuesday PM planner, we're going to have that area low pressure and cold front boundary, moving through our region to the south, and that's going to allow for high pressure to build into our region for Tuesday afternoon. That's going to give us fairly nice conditions for our Tuesday afternoon and Tuesday evening. We'll have more northwesterly to northerly winds. It's going to allow for a drying air mass into our area, and a fairly pleasant day for Tuesday. Temperatures only peaking out in the upper 70s, lower humidity values by afternoon, so a decent day overall. There's a slight chance that cold front does hang up a little bit closer to our region for our Tuesday morning, giving us some chances of showers during our morning commute on Tuesday, but by the afternoon we should clear out. And then for our Wednesday, looking another gorgeous day across the Mid-Atlantic region. High pressure that's going to be ridging into our region from the west and then finally sliding off the coast by Wednesday evening. That's going to provide us with another nice day, as I've mentioned. Temperatures in the lower 80s. We'll have light onshore flow during the afternoon on Wednesday, and we'll have lower humidity values as well. See dew points in the lower 60s on Wednesday, so it'll feel much nicer compared to today. So looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have very active conditions, as I've mentioned, across the region. Chances of precipitation will be high over the Mid-Atlantic region today, and especially here at Wallops during the afternoon and early evening hours. See from 12 to 4 and 4 to 8 o'clock this afternoon and evening, we'll have that red conditions for precipitation and lightning. We have an orange for this morning. We can see we have heavy rainfall, yellow across the board for this time frame. So during the showers and thunderstorms, during the times the showers and thunderstorms move through our region, we'll be seeing that heavy rainfall and possibility of some training showers and thunderstorms for the early overnight time period as that cold front does slow up across our region. That could be our best chance of seeing any localized flooding if we do see it with the heavy rainfall. When we do move into the afternoon hours, as I mentioned, we'll see a high of 78 degrees, winds gusting up to 25 knots for the afternoon evening hours as that cold front gets closer to our region. Once that cold front does kind of stall out over our region or just south of our region tonight, that's going to allow for our winds to turn more westerly to northwesterly and become light, anywhere from about 5 to 10 knots. We'll still see that lingering chance, as I mentioned, of showers and thunderstorms for tomorrow morning. You can see here by 8 a.m. we just have some showers in the region and a slight chance of a thunderstorm. Looking at our 24-hour terminal forecast, it is quite detailed this morning along due to the active weather we have in the region, but currently we do have a few clouds at 700 feet, a scattered deck at 4,000 feet, a broken deck at 7,000 feet, a broken deck at 15,000 feet, and an overcast deck at 20,000 feet. Likely scenario, we have some rain, 55% chance of thunderstorms, and then that 55% chance of thunderstorms will last till about 1 o'clock today, or 1300 local, and then after 1300 local we'll have an 80% chance of thunderstorms. So looking at those chances of thunderstorms to really ramp up for the early afternoon hours. And then we get into our evening hours. As I mentioned, we'll have that red, and that red for the lightning and precipitation, and that'll most likely occur from about 4 to 5 o'clock. And then after about 5 o'clock or 1700 local, we're seeing just about a 30% chance of thunderstorms. Moving into the overnight time period, a 65% chance of thunderstorms after 11 o'clock, and that'll last till about 3 o'clock Tuesday morning. And then we'll just have a 30% chance of thunderstorms after 3 o'clock on Tuesday morning into 6 o'clock or 600 local on Tuesday. When we move into our Tuesday 8 o'clock time frame, we'll have some low cloudiness in the region, broken at 800 feet, broken at 3,000 feet, overcast deck at 8,000 feet, and we'll have some rain showers around. Our tides are currently a half foot above normal. We look into our extended outlook for Tuesday and Wednesday. On our risk chart here, we see Tuesday we'll have overcast skies, rain showers lingering during the morning, then mostly cloudy to partly cloudy in the afternoon. We'll have a comfortable high of 79 degrees with our yellow for precipitation in the morning on Tuesday. And Tuesday night we'll have mostly clear skies, partly cloudy skies, less humid. Have a low of 64 degrees. And for Wednesday we'll have mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies and pleasant conditions, a high of 81 degrees, so very nice for Wednesday. Looking at our next 7 days, we'll have that shower and thunderstorm activity today into tonight, possibility of some strong storms with some gusty winds during the afternoon and evening hours today, and then also a possibility of that heavy rainfall with any of the thunderstorms that move through our region. Seeing a low of 68 tonight, and then for our Tuesday, looking at those AM showers possibly lingering, and fairly nice day in the afternoon, looking at 79 degrees for a high. 64 for our overnight low of Tuesday into Wednesday, so fairly comfortable, and then 81 degrees on Wednesday. We'll see 62 degrees for our Thursday morning, so could be a morning to open up the windows, let some cool or fresh air into the into your house. And then for Thursday, we'll have a high of 80 degrees. We'll have another upper level trough moving through our region on Friday, and that is going to allow us to have another chance of some heavy rainfall and thunderstorms with a cold front moving through, and then allow only for a high of 77 degrees due to cloud cover and shower and thunderstorm activity. For Saturday and Sunday, we'll have decent conditions, about seasonable averages for highs, around 83 degrees for both days, but we'll have a chance of some showers and thunderstorms late on Sunday as another upper level disturbance moves towards our region along a cold front or a stationary boundary that's going to be across our region, and that'll give us those chances of thunderstorms for the latter half of Sunday. Well, that's going to complete the weather brief today. I hope everybody has a great day today, and we'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 as well as 10 o'clock.